Okay, so it's awesome, super fun snow times with my friend. But ow! Lovely. Yeah, so it's awesome. Let's snow and stop.
It's really windy, and it snowed like 4 inches, so it's really awesome, and it's all fluffy, and so fluffy you can barely make a snowball. It's like glitter sprinkles.
Oh look, it's Ricky making a video of me making a video of Ricky making a video of me making a video of Ricky. Never mind. Do that again, do that again. Yeah, no.
I just did that in Ricky's video. I'm recording it.
Yes.
Oh.
Yay.
It's so fluffy. And now we're in Rose's backyard.
Oh, well, we were in there in the first place. It's so very perfect. I feel so horrible about ruining it.
Oh yeah, we were gonna keep it perfect, but the crazy squirrels already messed up your front yard.
Keep just that part perfect. Okay.
I was going to make a snow angel, but then I'll get all wet.
I know, but we need to make a snowman.
It's too fluffy to make a snowman.
What do you think? Should we make a snowman? I think so.
It's too fluffy to make a snowman.
Please.
No, it's too fluffy. It has to be kind of wet to make a snowman.
We've got water.
I don't think we should.
Shut up. I'm going to try anyway.
You